Yeah. I'm a sing J. Alright. Read him. Stega. You don't know. Me a try make my future better. Man I go feet, yeah. Okay, man I do the thing, feet epic, achieve my goal, my life I for set it, billions of dollar, dog man I for make it, bright up my future youth, man I wreck it. Man I do the thing, feet epic, achieve my goal, my life I for set it, billions of dollar, dog man I for make it, bright up my future youth, man I wreck it. Man want for bust like a nuclear bomb, any state my touch pan place I for ram. Girl them a scream Stega, a the man, billions in a account to all and grandma alright, so my blessings are for strong. Me can't pass a car that woulda wrong. Me fear spend pound like say a grand, like JP, my currency are for strong. Man I do the thing, feet epic, achieve my goal, my life I for set it, billions of dollar, dog man I for make it, bright up my future youth, man I wreck it. Man I do the thing, feet epic, achieve my goal, my life I for set it, billions of dollar, dog man I for make it, bright up my future youth, man I wreck it. Get a youth for rich like Pepsi Cola, billions in a bank, Rolex, pan solar.
Hey, the man dream big enough. Give it up for the man himself. Stega. 100% talent, may I tell you. Big up yourself. I think that was a great one. My boss. You know what I mean? Mr. Edwards. Counselor Edwards. What you think about Stega?
Stega, I want to just commend you for showing up. You know, talent is always complimented. And I think we have some, despite the energy up there, we have some areas of improvement. You know, the energy was a bit low for me. You know, the whole assertiveness and the confidence to step on was a bit low as well. That needs to be improved. You understand me? That good lyrics, it was well written, I can say, but the delivery itself was a bit lacking. You know, so really and truly, I want to encourage us to just go back to the table, you know, and see how best they can complement the vocals with the rhythm. You understand? So, that is it for me.
All right, thank you for that. Words of advice. Hey, Counselor Edwards, big up, enough respect. All right, our general. Yeah. What you say about the talented youth them out there right now?
Yes, Spega. Say the I name. Big
Stega.
up the I. Spega. Stega. Big up the I for be a part of the competition. You see me I did showcase your talent. You see me I did, but here we go on. Preparation is key. You see me I did it. So you know you're forward in a competition. You know, you probably not forward out as you want it for forward out, but you still have to try to prepare yourself before you forward so you don't make certain mistake. More time you fall off a rhythm, more time you debug on the rhythm. You see me I deal with, you see me, stage presentation, where you not really, you just a step forward and back, you not really use up the stage. You see me I deal with. So overall, it couldn't be very better delivered as the counselor said, but it would work with preparation. You see me I deal with preparation, it would be a better deliverance. You see me? Big up yourself, my artist.
All right, thank you for that, our general. And remember, you're still inside a learning process. You understand? So that is the reason why we really have this competition, you know what I mean, going on. So, you know, you don't fall and all of them things there. You know, just take the words of advice from the judges them here. You know what I mean? So big up yourself.